Hello family, Sir here. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to tour another floor plan in the community called Sonoma at Mint Hill. Now, if you are unfamiliar with this community, please check out this video right here where I go in depth talking about the community and the amenities that it has to offer. Now, this floor plan really mixes indoor and outdoor living. I think you're really gonna like it if you like ranch style floor plans coupled with outdoor living. Come with me and let's go take a look at this floor plan. Here we are at the Armstrong floor plan. It's just under 2,400 square feet and it is 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Again, it is all brick on the exterior, all 4 sides, either brick or stone. Let's go inside and take a look. When you come in, you have a little foyer area, and to the right, you have a half bath, and then you have a guest suite with a nice sized bedroom, and it has its own private full bathroom. Now we're going to the main living area. Yes, this model has an upstairs, but that is optional. Look how open this living area is. I really like this Armstrong floor plan because while you don't have that flex room or that sitting space, what you do have is an open living area and an excellent outdoor space, which we will check out in 1 second. But look at this kitchen with tons of cabinets, large island. This is just a perfect indoor, outdoor, entertaining floor plan. Here we are in the outdoor portion, the patio. Look how it wraps around the house. You can screen this in, and it is just perfect to be able to enjoy the cool summer nights and then this fall and spring right here in North Carolina. You have the gas stove, built-in oven and microwave. You have the laundry room, good sized laundry room. And that other door is to the owner's suite closet. You have storage or pantry underneath the stairs. As well as a 2-car garage. Now you can opt to get a 3rd-car garage for this floor plan, but this model just has 2 cars. Let's go look at the owner's suite right now. You have the tray ceilings, more than enough space to relax. King-size bed, seating area. This is definitely a peaceful space in here. And I know a lot of you want the separate tub and shower. You get that in these floor plans. The dual vanity sinks. Now, I'm not sure if you're aware, but a lot of builders do not include the separate tub because they found that a lot of buyers don't prefer the tub. They just want the stand-up shower. But here you have an option to get both. And you have your linen closet right here in the bathroom as well. Now let's head upstairs. Again, I'm gonna say it again, this is optional. You do not have to include the upstairs. It's an additional $70,000 to $80,000 if you include the upstairs. So downstairs, you would just have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. But if you include the upstairs, you have this loft area, another full bathroom, and another full bedroom. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I would love to help you and assist you in the purchase to make sure that your interests are being looked out for. Now, this floor plan with the upstairs is going for right around $490 right now. But if you do not include the upstairs, you can get it for significantly cheaper. Again, about $70,000 to $80,000 less. The number and contact information is on the screen. We are here to help. And this community is just in an ideal location. It's in Mint Hill, right off of 485, right across from the park. So you have tons of things to do. Take one more glance of the downstairs, the entertainment area, as well as that outdoor patio, which wraps around the house. I believe this is what makes this floor plan truly special. I'm Sir Ashley. I will talk to you soon.